All right, we got your boy here, Big Blue, from Cards, and Collectibles with another packing opening today. We're opening up Blaster Box, Donruss Elite 2022 football. Let's get started. So these boxes got 4 packs in them, 6 cards each. I'm sorry, 6 packs and 4 cards each. Let's get started opening some. All right, starting off, we got Aaron Rodgers, Derrick Henry, got rookie Montel Washington card. And then we got Pat Mahomes. All right, next off we got Jameis Winston, DeAndre Hopkins. We got a full throttle Jalen Reagor, and then a J.J. Watt. Next up, we got Tua. We got a green parallel, Aaron Rodgers. Spellbound S, Matthew Stafford. And we got the GOAT, TB12, Tom Brady. Next up, we got Kadarius Toney, Najee Harris, got a numbered rookie, Jerome Ford, and Antonio Gibson. Next up, we got Justin Herbert, DK Metcalf, got pink parallel Deebo Samuel, and Alvin Kamara. All right, last pack. Let's see if we get some magic here. Got Elijah Moore, green parallel Derrick Henry, another Spellbound. This is Trevor Lawrence, the R. And Travis Kelce finishing off. As always, if you guys like the content, like, follow, and subscribe. Also, check out our eBay store where we're going to be posting a lot of the stuff that we pull. Plus, also, we'll have weekly auctions of sealed packs. Plus, also, we're also going to have NASCAR die-casts and other sports collectibles and memorabilia. So, check it out.